gunner's mate, when you go on deployment, is to protect the camp. It's not a normal working environment. You learn a lot of your rate on a destroyer. It depends on the day, but most days it's, you wake up, get out of your rack, get ready, go get dressed, shower, whatever you do, what you got to do, and you go to work.
No matter what you do, you always have a watch.
So as a gunner's mate, we're responsible for all small arms regarding pistols, shotguns, rifles, and torpedo tubes, and various amounts of other equipment on the ship. Also 50 calibers and 240s. So all types of small arms and cruiser weapons. We're responsible for maintaining them, issuing to the crew. Anything in our job that we shoot, we always have to do pre-fires. So that's making sure that the weapons are good to go, make sure that they function properly.
So what do we link it? That one? One of these Got it? Yeah, I did well. Just be ready to. He wants to do 25 so bad. Mouth captain copy. Alright, everybody down here has ear pro on. Wow, you're already better off than some people.